Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the magical city of Jaipur, also known as the Pink City. Join me as we explore the rich history, architectural wonders, and vibrant culture that make Jaipur an absolute must-visit destination. To truly understand Jaipur, we have to go back in time when it was founded in 1727 by Maharaja Jai Singh II. His vision for the city included meticulous planning, breathtaking architecture, and an emphasis on harmony with nature. Speaking of architecture, let's start with one of Jaipur's most iconic structures, the Hawa Mahal. This stunning palace boasts intricate honeycomb-like windows, allowing cool air to flow through and giving it the name Palace of the Winds. Next on our list is the magnificent Amber Fort, situated on a hilltop just outside Jaipur. The fort's grandeur is truly unmatched, with its impressive domes, stunning courtyards, and breathtaking views of the surrounding rugged landscape. Jaipur is also known for its vibrant culture and rich traditions. The city comes alive during festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Tej, where locals dress in colorful attire, dance to traditional music, and celebrate with unmatched energy. Now, what trip to Jaipur would be complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine? Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey with mouth-watering dishes like dal bati churma, lal mas, and gewar, all bursting with flavors unique to Rajasthan. Jaipur is a shopaholic's paradise too. Head to the famous Johari Bazaar, where you'll find a kaleidoscope of colorful textiles, stunning jewelry, intricate handicrafts, and much more. It's the perfect place to pick up souvenirs or treat yourself to the best of Rajasthani craftsmanship. As we explore further, we can't miss the colossal city palace, which boasts a perfect blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture. From stunning courtyards to intricate frescoes, the palace gives us a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the royal families. Did you know that Jaipur is also famous for its elephant sanctuaries? These gentle creatures play an integral role in the city's cultural heritage. Visitors can meet and interact with them, learn about their conservation efforts, and even enjoy an exhilarating elephant ride at places like Amber Fort. Lastly, we can't wrap up our tour without a quick visit to the mesmerizing Jal Mahal, or the Water Palace. Situated amidst the stunning Mansagar Lake, this architectural gem showcases a brilliant blend of Mughal and Rajput styles. It's perfect for capturing that picture-perfect moment. As we conclude our journey through Jaipur, it's clear why this city has captured the hearts of millions of travelers worldwide. Jaipur truly is a treasure trove of history, architecture, culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, what are you waiting for? Add Jaipur to your travel bucket list and immerse yourself in the magic of the Pink City. Trust me, it won't disappoint. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures, and leave a comment sharing your favorite part of Jaipur. Until next time, happy travels.